Back at Water Trail Labs, we are always trying new things. Here I'm covering a tiller with laminating resin, which doesn't cure without a coating of something else. It leaves a tacky surface. Here I put on a coat of Cetal, hoping the bond will create some sort of weather-resistant monster. I'll let you know in a later episode the results. The dinghy motor mount, on the other hand, is straight Cetal, so I'll be able to compare the two to see how they come out. Today I'm going to install a new battery charger. The old one doesn't work anymore. I tested it with a multimeter and it's receiving AC power, but on the DC side there's no output. Okay, I'm finally going to inspect my chain plates. This boat has them hidden behind teak. So here it goes. I'm in the process of moving a very old cassette player out of here, and that's what all those wires are about. So that's what it looks like outside today. It's raining very hard, and it's been raining all day. When I was checking out this chain plate, I noticed in the very back there is a wet spot, and where I think it's coming from is this chain plate. So that's not good because it will rot out this piece of wood here that is meant to hold the chain plates in place. Just little things like that can make a big difference. I will need to seal that. I will have to disconnect some standing rigging and take off that chain plate and reseal it, and I imagine I'll probably have to do that to all the rest of them as well. Looked like I was off the hook, but not really. This is the first time I take out the sails for inspection. There is a mainsail and cover, a Genoa, a staysail and cover, and a cruising spinnaker. Currently also, there is a 150% roller furling Genoa installed on the boat. The Genoa here is smaller, and the sun protection piece of it is falling apart. Okay, today I'm going to clean the engine and get to know where the parts are and learn how to start it. So I have yet to start it since I've owned the boat. I've owned the boat for a month and a half now and haven't started the engine yet. I haven't had really any time at all to do anything with it except for check the oil since I bought it. So yeah, here that goes. The chain we just saw was to my primary anchor, a 35-pound CQR. There was also a second anchor, a 20-pound Danforth. Its chain is just as bad.